What's up, y'all? It's London. Welcome back to my channel. If you couldn't already tell by the title, we're just going to be doing a 1-month tape-ins update, and I'm also going to be washing them on camera for you guys. So my natural hair as well as the extensions were very oily. I had a lot of buildup. My scalp was very flaky, which I really didn't get a chance to show you guys, but if you could see, I mean, you can kind of see my scalp was bad. Like, it was embarrassing. I wasn't even going to show you guys that. Like, it was just a mess. But as far as the actual tape-ins go, they weren't giving me any type of problems. I did do a pretty good job with installing them, so I didn't have any like slipping or sliding out. Like, I didn't have any come out until I actually washed the tape-ins in this video. So yeah, before I go ahead and wash them, I'm just going to section my hair off and then detangle it. And I just section my hair off into 4 sections, and then I'm washing with the Ion clarifying shampoo, and I'm gonna do kind of a deep condition, not too much, with this Mael hair mask. And here I just got into the shower and I'm detangling the hair as I'm wetting it. That works best for me because I already knew this is gonna be a long process, but as soon as my hair started to like revert back curly, I was like, what did I just do? What did I just do? But yeah, I worked the shampoo into my roots. I was doing too much. The water was on hot, y'all. That's one thing I do not wash your tape-ins on hot water. Like, not even on really warm water. Wash them on cool water. Like, don't pull at me. So I did actually lose like 1 tape, I believe, in the shower, but I lost like 6 tapes, so 3 sandwiches in total. And it's okay because I had extra. It's whatever. But yeah, I'm just washing my hair, working that shampoo where all the oil and all the buildup, and especially in my actual scalp, because it was bad, like I said, y'all. I was trying to make sure that I didn't like do too much like scrubbing in my scalp. Like, I tried to get in my scalp as much as possible without really disturbing the tapes. That's one thing you don't want to do, is just disturb the tapes and have them slipping and sliding and falling out all over the bathroom floor. But yeah, I tried to do the best possible job that I could with the circumstances, you know. But after I finished washing each section, of course, I twisted it up. That's what I do with my natural hair anywho. And there I am with my hair just twisted all up, and I'm gonna hop out the shower. And this is really where it got real, y'all. I didn't know what I was going to do, so I just basically blow dried my hair section by section. So I did a section of my hair, and then I did a row of tapes, and then a section of my hair, and then a row of tapes. So I didn't do my hair and the tapes together, if that makes any type of sense. I'm just showing y'all the gummy tapes. Like, once you put that hot water on them, they're gonna turn gummy. So don't, like I said, don't wash your hair with extremely hot water like I did. That was a mistake. I don't know what I was thinking. I think my mind was elsewhere, but whatever. So yeah, I just continued that process. And with these tapes, y'all, they've been pretty good for me. I haven't had any issues. Like I said, no tapes were falling out or sliding out or anything like that. The only thing I would say, I have no complaints. Let's just say that I have no complaints with the tape-ins. They're so versatile for me. Like, if you know, you know, I love to just throw my hair up in a claw clip or any type of clip, throw it up in a bun, go to sleep, put my scarf on. Like, I don't like to do too much, and I just love all the different styles that I can do with them. The other thing that I would say about the tape-ins, when you do install them for how you will be styling your hair. Don't Don't just install them any type of way and think you're gonna go back and be able to do it half up, half down. Like, girl, you didn't even plan for that. Like, we have to plan for these things. That's the only thing. I didn't really have that problem. I really don't do that much to my hair anyway. I'm really a bun girl, maybe a down girl. I haven't worn them down as much just because of the heat and humidity in Florida. But if I do go out at night, I do go ahead and just wear them down. And I wear them curly, I wear them straight, and I haven't had any complaints so far. And mind you guys, I was blow drying my hair on warm and cool. I learned my lesson in the shower. I was not trying to blow dry these on hot. And if I did, I was doing it more so towards the ends, not in the roots. So in the roots, I would go in with the blow dryer and just blow dry them on cool. And then I would blow dry the rest of the hair on warm or maybe on hot. Just a little bit, not for too long either. That's the thing. All right, you guys, so the rest of the video is kind of self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let it ride out and do what it do. And yeah, I was just flat ironing my hair, so there was really nothing much to it anyway. And here is the finished look, a full silk press, Brazilian blowout, whatever you want to call it. I was done. It was late. I was tired and I was finished. I do love the end result. I'm loving the whole share from Clueless vibes. I'm loving how lightweight they felt in my head. I'm so obsessed with these tape-ins, y'all. I can't even lie. But if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment. Let me know what videos you want to see. Subscribe. Tell a friend. Support my channel. And yeah, you guys, y'all be blessed. I love you. Bye.